here at the Fort Lauderdale Boat Show. They're going to go ahead and tell us a little bit about the family history, their quality of brand that they uphold, and how Arid Bilge system coexists very well.
Thanks for having me, Alfred. So, Bahama Boats started by Scott Henley. The company's been in business for 15 plus years, and the biggest thing that we strive for in the industry is just have the best fit and finish of any celery quality boats out there. Scott's been in the industry for over 40 years, originally starting his career as a boat captain. He knows exactly how to fix things and how difficult it can be to work in these departments in these boats. So originally one of the founders of Jupiter, also went on to be one of the founders of Venture Marine, and then of course here we are with Bahama. So there's a lot of DNA that helps bring the Bahama together to really show what it takes, and with everything being finished, nice to actually build a quality fishing machine. We're very limited production. We build anywhere from 12 or 13 boats a year, depending on spec, and that's how we're able to actually achieve the level of fit and finish that we do. Like Albert said, we're a family-owned company, so when you do purchase a Bahama, no matter the size you are, joining a family. So with that, you get a product that's second to none, and you also get a resale value that really can be compared to any of the best in the industry. To keep the level of finish and quality that we do, we also work with brands that are able to help bring them to as well. Unfortunately, one of the most overlooked items that you can actually get for your whether it's a big phone, center console, is an Arid Bilge bag. I recommend that all our customers get them put in, especially in that north area, because there's a lot of moisture that builds up in that area. And we're in a marine environment. It's one of the most harshest environments that you can be in, especially with salt water. And there's a lot of things that people don't take into account. You have dark areas when your hatches are closed. You got moisture built up. You can constantly get rain on, sun, and even you mix that heat, hot, humid air with dark environments. That leads to one of the worst things possible, which is opened. The Arid does an excellent job at keeping these apartments clean, dry, so that when you open that up, you're never going to be met with a horrid nightmare when it comes to the mess to clean up, as well as your health too.
You guys have that's possible product that you're selling to the customer. Remind you guys of the 1812. It's not a huge quantity that you're producing, but I have a point. You guys are producing an absolutely tough quality product. That is the standard that you guys are trying to always achieve. And that's why you guys are doing limited boats. If you guys are doing a custom boat style, that's going to be the needs of everyone in the customer.
Yeah, absolutely. So as far as brands, we're a semi-custom boat. We obviously have our preferences and what works best for us. But of course, you're a diehard fan of a particular brand. That's something that we're not going to shy away from. When it comes to electronics, VHF antennas, anything that there's a wide variety of brands, and we're going to work with you throughout that whole experience. We offer all the state-of-the-art equipment now that you can find: Garmin electronics, Seakeeper, anything new that's from Mercury, their electric steering. So technology is rapidly improving. We're right there with all those big brands to make sure that all that new tech is incorporated with our.
At Bahama Boat Works, we're always striving for quality. Our saying is our quality is impeccable. Just keeping up with new things. The Arid Bilge system really helps keep the bilge dry. Our customer expects the absolute best in appearance, quality. The Arid Bilge system completely makes it easy for them to have that neat, clean bilge. The owner opens it up, looks in there, and it's tidy and clean. It's really a perfect fit for what we're doing. It's perfect for the consumer to protect their investment with all their electronics, components in the bilge. Just a win-win situation with the Arid Bilge system.